Hey everybody, today I'm working on an 11 by 14 canvas, and I'm actually going to be working with a couple colors together that I haven't done before. And this one here, you can see it's quite bright. It is from Liquitex Basics, and the color is cadmium red light hue. It's not red, it's very orange. This one right here is from the Fine Touch. It's phthalo turquoise. And then this color here is a leftover color from a couple paintings I did, and it is from Folkart, and it is pearl white. And then I don't have a lot of it left, so I'm going to use the champagne from Folkart that I keep in my bottle. Now I did a couple small ones just to test out the colors, and this one here turned out really pretty. It's a 4x4 canvas. I didn't use the champagne in this one, but it turned out really pretty. Now this one here I just did a little bit ago. I had a tiny bit left in my cup of the turquoise and the orange and the pearl white, and you can see on the outside I did like a negative space, and I used the champagne color, and it turned out really pretty. So I'm going to use the champagne in this one, probably around the foot cup. So I'm going to go ahead and get started, and I am going to put just a drop of, two of silicone in there, and just give it one little zhuzh. My other colors don't have any. And it already had like a little bit in there from the previous pour, so I thought I'd just add another couple drops. So I'm just going to put a little bit on the bottom. Go ahead and open that, put that in there, put the turquoise in next. Okay, and then I'm going to put another layer of the pearl white. And now this orange. I've never really been a big fan of orange, but I ended up, I found this color. I went to Hobby Lobby, and Liquitex had some of their paints on clearance, and there wasn't many left by the time I got there. And that was one, so I thought, what the heck, I'm going to give it a try. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and just flip that on. Actually, I'm going to do it the safe way this time. Normally don't do that. And all my colors are mixed with Liquitex pouring medium, floetrol, and water. The way that I mix my paints is 60% Liquitex pouring medium, 30% floetrol, and 10% water. That's usually how I mix mine. Alright, so now I'm just going to take the champagne, and I'm just going to go around the cup. Now hopefully I have enough, because this is all I've got of all of it. And there's no floetrol or there's no silicone in this one. Alright. I'm going to just get my torch and torch out some of the air bubbles. I gave that a good shake before I used it, so there was some air bubbles in there. Alright, it's starting to come out a little bit, so I'm just going to go ahead and light and lift it. Tons of air bubbles there. I'm not sure if you can see the difference between the white and the champagne. The pearl white is really bright. That looks so cool in there. I know I always say that, but it does look really cool. Let that sit there for a second, and I'm going to pop these air bubbles in here. much in there though. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and start moving it around. I've always been a little nervous about using, you know, orange and blue. There's certain colors that, you know, you mix and they get muddy and turn crappy, so I've kind of always stayed away. But it's such a pretty orange. That I thought I would give it a try. I'm going to go ahead and dump the rest along this edge here. I don't really want to lose that blue. It looks really cool right there. So there we go. Alright, so I'm going to go over it now with my torch. Get all those air bubbles popped. Oh, there's some little cells. Okay guys, I'll take you in for a close-up. I waited a little while, probably about half an hour, let it do its thing. The cells got bigger and more came through. And I ended up having to tilt it a little bit more off of this end here. I think there was, you know, a lot of paint, so it just started to spread out off of one side, and then it left almost like a lip on the edge. So I ended up tilting it some more to get that over the side. The colors blended really nice. I got no muddiness, so I'm really, really happy with that. Alright, so there it is, and I will be back to show you when it is all dry. Alright, see you guys back. Okay guys, so here's the painting all dry. I'll take you in to see it a little closer. You can check out all the cool details. I'm just super happy with how this turned out. Colors look really good. I love these colors together. Alright, so there it is all dry. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Check out all my links in my description, and have a great day.